Hello darlings, today I'll be recreating a winter wonderland look inspired by Makeup by Alina and James Charles. The first step is to apply a hydrating primer. Today I'll be using the City Color Primer Oil, which also helps my Mellow Cosmetics brow pomade glide on smoother and easier. When filling in my brows using the Bodyography brow brush, I try to create a gradient by making the tail of my brow darker and the front of my brow lighter. So I'll be applying more product towards the end rather than the front. And in the front I also flick the brush upwards to create natural hair-like strokes. I always clean up my brows when working with pomade, so for the top edge of the brow I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer in C1 because I find it to be really hydrating and easy to blend. Now for the bottom edge of my brow, I always use the PLouise base in 0.5 because I'm also going to be applying this to my eyelid to act as my primer for eyeshadow. I'm starting off on my eyeshadow by packing on a dark matte blue to my crease. And I'm actually using the Morphe 35B palette today, which is discontinued, but don't feel like you need to have this specific palette to recreate this look. I just actually couldn't find any other palettes in my collection that had this matte blue shade in it. Once I've packed on that blue, I'm starting to blend it out using the same brush but with no extra product on it. I'm also going to be dragging this onto my lower lash line and trying a bit of a new technique and applying all of my eye makeup before moving on to my face makeup. So now it's time to cut my crease, and I'm using the same PLouise base in 0.5 and the Morphe GH42 brush to do this. As you may already know, I have hooded eyes, and so I can't follow my natural crease because then you wouldn't be able to see it when I open my eyes. To figure out where I need to cut the crease in order for you to see it when my eyes are open, I look down and then back up, and the product will transfer higher up onto my eyelid, and that lets me know where I should draw the crease so that you'll be able to see it when my eyes are open. Sometimes the eyeshadow will color the concealer whatever shade it is, so to work around this, I'm just removing the base that we used to cut the crease with and adding just a bit more so that it's more white, and then I'm blending the eyeshadow into the concealer using my finger so that there aren't any harsh lines on the outer edge of that half cut crease. I'm quickly adding some more dimension to the outer V and the edge along the concealer where we cut the crease using the same dark blue shade on the JH40 brush. I'm now applying some of this light shimmery blue shade to the outer edge of where we applied the PLouise base, and then I'm grabbing the Ofra Nikkie Tutorials Glazed Donut Highlighter and applying this to the inner part of where we applied that base. I'm reinforcing the shimmery blue shade using my finger to make it more visible, and then to blend it into the outer V, I'm just popping on some more of the dark blue shade. I'm now very carefully applying some details using the NYX White Liquid Liner and the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner in Gamma Ray. I'm now popping on some Ardell Fauxmink Demi Wispies lashes using the House of Lashes adhesive, and then I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara to blend my false lashes in with my natural ones, and for my upper waterline, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Black Market, and for my lower waterline, I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Before moving on to my face makeup, I'm popping on some of that glazed donut highlighter to my inner corner, as well as some silver glitter from the Glitter Realm Majestic palette, and then wiping away any of that glitter fallout. I'm now using the MAC Timecheck lotion to smooth out my pores, and the strobe cream in pinklite to give some hydration and glow to my skin. For foundation today, I'm trying the Fenty Beauty foundation for the first time, and I actually think it's a bit too drying for my skin, but it is very full coverage, and I'm also using the brand new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Concealer to conceal, highlight, and contour. The shade I'm using to contour is Warm Caramel, and I'm blending this out using the Pract by Sigma sponge. If you'd like to receive 10% off your purchase at Pract or Sigma, you can use my discount code TheTaylorCherie. I'm setting everything in place using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pore Setting Powder, and then bronzing up using the Ofra Americano bronzer, and also using this to contour my nose with the Morphe JH10 brush. For blush, I'm using the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Ombre Blush in Je ne sais quoi, and I'm also sweeping this over my nose a bit to give a rosy effect as if it's cold outside. For highlight, I'm using the Ofra Nikkie Tutorials highlighter in Glazed Donut, and then setting my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. To start on my lips, I'm using the MAC Prep+Prime Lip, and then I'm lining them using the Mellow Cosmetics Lip Pencil in Aria, and then topping that off with the liquid lip gloss in Palm Springs from their new 3-piece collab with Pia Muehlenbeck. The lip kit is $38 and includes 2 matte liquid lip paints and 1 lip gloss, and I'm happy to report that the lip gloss isn't sticky. You can use my discount code TAYLOR for 10% off your purchase, and they also offer Afterpay so you can pay in installments. And that's the completed look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!